How to ensure consistent formatting across different development environments. In case I have a project and there is teamwork on this project, if I will depend on the Prettier extension, and each user each developer has his own formatting rules, then we will have like an issue in a styling, and we will spend effort and time to fix that. So we need to unify or consistent the format across all developer or all development environments. To do that, or to ensure consistent formatting across different development environment when using Prettier, you need to add Prettier to your project and create a configuration file which will include all the rules and unify it between all the team members.